Okay, right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Before we start, this is going to be a good video. It'll be a few minute video because I want to do an experiment here with my tumble dryer. It's a massive 9 kilograms and I'm going to put it on a distribution cycle, and I think only for a few minutes because it's not supposed to go in on this dry, so I just wanted to see what it does. So I'll just turn it on. Watch for the graphics to come up. There we go. So, woolens do distribute. Just want to see what it does. I think this does it straight away, so. Yeah. There we go. This is just an experiment video. It's not all stuck to the drum, is it? I thought it would stick to the drum. I'm a bit gutted with that. Thought it would end up all stuck to the drum, but it's not. Okay, I'm going to leave it this video now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I was a bit disappointed with this video, but I'll still upload it. But at least it is distributing, though. You can hear it. Oh yeah, there we go.